Very good morning, students. Students, in today's class, we are going to start our chapter number 6, that is understanding shapes. Okay. So we will start with our assignment 6.1. So question number first of our assignment 6.1. Question number first part. See, the question is the common end point where two rays meet to form an angle. See, if I take these two rays, the common end point is this, and students, this point is called vertex. This point is called vertex, students. So our option number A is correct. Okay. Now students, question number second part. The supplement of 1 degree. Supplement of 1 degree, students. Supplement of 1 degree. Students, first of all, we will discuss that what are supplementary angles. See, if I take angle 1 and angle 2 sum. If I take two angles, angle 1 and angle 2, if sum of 1 and 2 is 180 degree, then those angles are called supplementary angles. Students. Okay. Now students, I have to find out the supplement of 1 degree. That means if I take angle 1 as 1 degree, angle 2 as it is, I don't know. So 180, see, 1 is in addition and it goes there, it will be in subtraction. So 180 minus 1 degree will be 179 degrees. So angle 2 is equals to 179 degree. So this is our required answer. So supplement of 1 degree is 179 degree. Okay, that is the option number B. Students. Okay. Now students, first question, third part, students. See, in this question, a ray line is given AOC, okay, and ray OP is given, and these two angles are given. 2x minus 10 degree and 3x plus 15 degree. 3x plus 15 degree. Okay. Now students, I have to find out the value of x. Students, first of all, we will discuss the concept of linear pair. Students. See, linear pair is if I take a straight line and a ray is there, just cutting that given line. If I take this angle and this angle, see, this line should be a straight line. So angle 1 is here and angle 2 is here. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree. Linear pair says that if I take a straight line and cut that straight line, the angle formed will have a sum of 180 degree. Okay. Now similarly, student, in this part, AOC is a straight line. So I can say that sum of these two will be 180 degree by linear pair. So 2x minus 10 degree plus 3x plus 15 degree is equals to 180 degree. Okay, students. So 3x plus 2x will be 5x. 15 degree minus 10 degree is equals to 5 degree. 5 degree is equals to 180 degree. Okay. See, 5 degree is in addition and it goes here, it will be in subtraction. So 180 minus 5 will be 175 degree. Okay. Now 5 is in multiplication, when it goes here it will be in division. So 175 upon 5. So x is equals to 175 upon 5. 5 3s are 15. That will be x is equals to 35 degree. Okay. So 35 degree is our answer. That is the part number D. Students. Okay. Now students, moving forward to the part number 4th of question number first. Students, I have to find out an angle is 75 degree. Its complement is, I have to find the complement of 75 degree. Complement of 75 degree. Students, we know that if sum of two angles is 180 degree, called supplementary angles. Now students, if sum of two angles is 90 degree, then those angles are called complementary angles. Then those complementary angles, these angles are called complementary angles. Okay. Now students, I have to find out the complement of 75 degree. That means if I take first angle as 75 degree, then I have to find out the next angle. So next angle will be, see 90 as it is, 75 is in addition, when it goes to the right hand side it will be in subtraction. So 90 degree minus 75 degree. So angle 2 is equals to 15 degree. Angle 2 is equals to 15 degree. So 15 degree, that is part number D is our required answer. Okay. Now students, the fifth part of our question number first. One of the angle of a linear pair is 72 degree. One of the angle of a linear pair. See, linear pairs are, sum of the two angles will be 180 degree. Okay. One angle is 72. If I just name this angle as 72 degree, I have to find out other angle. So other angle will be 180 minus 72. So angle 2 will be 180 minus 72 degree. So it will be students 8, okay, and 108. So answer will be 108 degree, and the answer is part number B. And the answer is part number B, students. Okay. Okay, students. Now moving forward to our question number second. Question number second is just true and false. Okay. So, first part is sum of two angles which form a linear pair. Sum of two angles which form a linear pair is always equals to 180 degree. Yes, students, it is true. First part is true because if I take this line and this ray cuts this line, so sum of these two will be 180 degree. If I take angle 1 and angle 2, so angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degree by linear pair. Okay. So yes, first statement is true. Now students, the complement of 90 degree is 90 degree. Students, this is false because students, I already told you that sum of two angles in complementary angles is 90 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 90 degree, students, when complementary angle are given. In case of complementary angle, now if one angle is 90 degree, then other angle will be 0 degree. Then if one angle is of 90 degree, then other angle should be of 90 degree. And it is given in the question that it is of 90 degree, so the statement is false. Now students, part number third, if I discuss, supplement of an acute angle is always an obtuse angle. Supplement of an acute angle. Acute angle means angles which is less than 90 degree. If I take any angle, yes, first of all students, the answer is true. Because students, if I take, for example, any angle, any acute angle, if I say 70 degree, 70 degree is acute angle, and if I take the supplement angle of this, supplement means 70 degree plus any other angle, sum of these two will be 180 degree because they form pair of supplementary angle. So angle 2 will be 110 degree. That is an obtuse angle. Because obtuse angle are those angles which measures more than 90 degree. So yes, the statement is true. So the fourth part, students, fourth part is supplement of right angle is a right angle. Yes, students, this is true. Because supplement angle are those angles whose sum is 180 degree. This statement is true because if I take first as 90 degree, then another will be of 90 degree, students, because sum of these two will be 180 degree. Yes, so statement is true. So fifth part, students, if I discuss, sum of two adjacent angle is supplementary. Sum of two adjacent angle is supplementary. Yes, what are adjacent angles, students? Adjacent angle. See, if I take any angle, say this, okay, and if I take, see, these two angles are adjacent angles because they have same vertex, and a common arm. Okay, that means, see, if I name them as A, O, B and C. So A, O, B have OB, B, O, C have OB. So both angles have same common arc and they are same, then they have same vertex also. So yes, I can say that these two angles are adjacent. So students, it is given that sum of two adjacent angles is supplementary. Students, it is not true, okay, because it is false. See, it can be of 90 degrees. Some of these two can be 90 degrees. Some of these two can be, I guess, if I get 30 and 15, it can be any angle, okay, it can be any angle. It is not compulsory that some of these two will be only supplementary. So statement is false, okay. So students, this is our question number 2. Moving forward to the question number 3, students. In this question, two figures are given to us. First is this, students, okay, name is A, O, B and COD. This angle and this angle. They are asking that these two angles are adjacent or not. No, students. AOB, angle AOB and angle COD are not adjacent. Because adjacent angle are those angles who consist of same arm, students. Okay. Now students, AOB and COD does not have any common arm, so I can't say that they are adjacent. Okay. Now similarly, in the next part, students, it is given that this AOB and BOC, AOB and BOC. Yes, students, AOB and BOC are adjacent angles because they have common vertex O and a common arm, that is OB. So yes, AOB and BOC are adjacent. Okay, students, now moving forward to our question number 4, students. This figure is given in the book. And the first part is, do angle AOB that is 85 degree and BOC form a linear pair. Students, we know that if the sum of two angles will be 180 degree, then we can say that yes, they form a linear pair. Also the line should be straight. See, AOC is not a straight line and sum of these two is not 180 degrees. Answer is no. Now students, the second part, are AOB this same angle and COD are vertically opposite angle. COD. See students, vertically opposite angle are those angles which are equal in measurement. See, this angle is 85 degree and this angle is 125 degree. Angles are not equal, so I can't say that these are vertically opposite angles. So the answer is no. Okay. Similarly, students, in the third part, are angle AOD and DOC. AOD and DOC form a linear pair. No, students, see, this is not a straight line, and for linear pair the line should be straight. So the answer is no. Okay. Now students, our question number 5. In question number 5, I have to find out the complement of these angles. Okay. I have to find out the complement of these angles, students. Students, I have already discussed with you that complementary angles are those angles whose sum is 90 degree. Now students, I have to find out complement of 43. Therefore, our answer will be, if sum of two angles, if sum of this and this is of 90 degree, so I can say that if I know one angle, that other angle will be 90 degree minus that angle. So answer will be 90 degree minus 43 degree. Okay. And if I just subtract them, students, it will be 47 degree. So 47 degree is our required answer. Now students, complement of 46 degree, it will be 90 degree minus 46 degree. If I have to find out the complement of any angle, just subtract that angle from 90 degree. Okay. So 90 minus 46, it will be 44, students. It will be 44. Now complement of 90 degree. So 90 degree minus 90 degree, because if I have to find out complement of any angle, just subtract that angle from 90 degree. So 90 degree minus 90 degree will be 0 degree. Complement of 72 degree, it will be 90 degree minus 72 degree, that will be 18 degree. So 18 degree is our answer. Similarly 29 degree, it will be 90 degree minus 29 degree, students. Okay, and this is equals to 61 degree. Okay, students. So